Hello everyone and welcome back to Blushes Sweetly, coming to you from Dollar General. Here I am going to do deals that you can do now. We have our new inserts. So we got a Family Dollar, Retail Me Not on the front here, and we also have a Smart Source. But right now I'm just going to focus on the Retail Me Not. We have this coupon here. You have $1 off of one Axe, and you also have buy one Suave Essentials body wash product and get one free, the men's, and a maximum of $2.99. We are going to match that up with our digital coupon. We have two. We have spend 7, get $2 off, and we also have spend 6 on men's, just men's, and you get $2 off. Yeah, spend 6, get $2. I'll put a clip in. Alrighty, so as the coupon states right there, you buy one Essentials body wash and then you should get the men's for free, a maximum value of $2.99. But if history repeats itself, whatever first thing you put up, the coupon should attach and take that off. So we're going to try to put the men's first and then the other one second. So we need to get $7 worth for the Suave. I'm going to get one of each of these. So that'll be 4. And then we're going to get a men's. That is $3. Okay, because we need to make $7. Right? So we have $7 here. We're going to use one coupon, but instead I'm going to see if both of them can come off. So I'm going to grab another, oh my goodness, one of these. Okay, so let's see. I'm thinking on the spot here. Don't blame me if I'm wrong. Okay, because we also want the 2 off 6 coming off. And I'm going to actually pick up one of these Axe. I'm going to scan it and make sure that it attaches to that coupon. All right, I'm going to try 5. I don't know what kind of arrangement I'm going to do. Maybe just like this, so that the 2 off 6 would come off in this way. And then this way the 2 off 7 would come off. That's what I'm going to try to do. And let's see what will happen. But this is not for a 5 off 25. This is just to see about if we can get both of those coupons to come off, and or both digitals, I should say, to come off. All right, let's see what happens at the register.
304.
Yay, it worked out. 304. All right, everyone, worked out perfectly. I thought I was recording at the register. Obviously it was not, but this is how everything turned out. So how I did it was the Axe, because the one $2 off 6 men's only is will attach to that only, while this one attaches to both store discounts. So put up the Axe, then do the Suave. You can have them scan that coupon if you want to right after, or not, you know, that one doesn't matter. But this one here, I scanned, then scanned that, and then $2.99 came off. This is $3, so we're not paying, we're basically paying a penny for this. Then you're going to scan that, and then this, then the next coupon. Both discounts came off, not a full $2. They gypped me a penny, so we have a total of 4 pennies off. But if you can see that, well, hold on, let me get into the light. Alrighty, let's get into the light. As you can see, $4 the Axe, then the $1.99 store discount attached. I punched in my number as she was scanning, then I gave her the $1 off coupon. She did that one. Then we did the Suave men's, $3, then the coupon, I mean the body wash, this one, no, Sweet Pea, this one came. Let's change that, so we set it just the same way. All right, right there, Cherry Blossom, Sweet Pea. So again, we have the Axe, $4, Suave, $3, then this for $2, and then you hand over the buy one get one free coupon. Okay, takes off the $2.99 because this is first, because I believe if you put this first, even though the coupon says men is free, it's going to take off the 2. So there you go. Now the next one, the men's again for $3, then the cherry blossom. Okay, do it just like that. Both discounts come off, as you can see, $1.99, $1.99. Made my total $3.04. Why? Because it only takes off $2.99, meaning a penny here, and then with the discount or the store savings, it's only taking off $1.99, not straight up $2. So we have a savings of almost $11 for 5 items for $3.04. Yeah, perfect deal for 5 items. All right, everyone, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your eyes on the prize. Back to the win. See you in the next one. Bye.